to say what I've had and what what we've gotten as donations and invest in a shed. No, no. Looking at another hobby cup, something I haven't done is matchstick models. Oh, making big. Oh, that would be cool. Wait. Okay. And Blue Raven probably knows this, but Big Ben in London, they're at the Houses of Parliament. Did you know that the clock face, the clock itself, the clock is Big Ben, not the tower. The tower is the Elizabeth Tower. Did you know that? Haven't taken over the basement yet. Well, no, the basement's taken over by something else. Nothing of mine. Well, there are games, and then there are party decorations. How's the weather been? The weather's been not too bad. The weather's been all right. Yes, Big Ben is the bell. Yes, is the bell. Yes. See, I always thought the whole tower and everything, the whole thing was called Big Ben. No. And it's called the Elizabeth Tower in honor of Queen Elizabeth I. Hey there, Knitter Girl. How are you? See, I know a little bit. Well, I know quite a bit about England and the UK, and it kind of interests me a bit. Weather is actually lovely, sunny, and 68. Bring it on! Bring it on! Bring that on! Okay. I'm not going to do the eyeballs. I'm not going to do the whites and the eyeballs tonight because that's going to be too tedious. Clock you're looking at is 24 inches high. Wow. That's a decent sized clock. Okay, we're going to put the muzzles on. We're going to do the muzzle factory. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to do assembly line. We're going to do them in state. See? This is the way to do it. I got plenty of safety pins. Muscle dog. Yes, we are muscling donkeys. Yes. I'll tumble for you. That's a pretty color. It's showing up blue on camera. It's actually peacock green. Or peacock blue. It's like a bluish. It's a peacock color. You know, the color of peacock feathers. And why can't I clip this? Somehow if I want a donkey, I want a purple. Well, hey. When we do the giveaway, there's a bunch of purples in here. There's like 3 purples. It only makes sense when you also have roving. Oh yes, I have the bat that you sent me, and then I've got a little bit of other stuff, and to make my own. And haven't I always told you that need has nothing to do? Yes, I get that. I get that, but we don't we're going to physically run out of space. You can always have never have enough. Okay, Catherine, you have no idea. You have no idea. when we get it all, actually, you know what? I'm going to have to take a picture what we have now. And then when we get more of this stuff, I'll have to take updated pictures. That's what I'll do. I'll probably take some pictures tonight and I'll put little captions to say what I've had and what we've gotten as donations and invest in a shed. No. Looking at another hobby cup, something I haven't done is matchstick models. Making big. Oh, that would be cool. Wait. Okay. And Blue Raven probably knows this, but Big Ben in London, they're at the Houses of Parliament.